How's it going, YouTube? It's Devontae Graves back here again with another video. By the title, you already know this is how to buy Bitcoin in 2018. So I got about 6 or 7 different links. I wanted to show you guys different ways to cop Bitcoin. But we're gonna get into that. But let's check out the charts just real quick. Just real quick. This is what we gotta do. So as you can see, everything is pretty much down. Let me refresh this page actually. Yeah, everything is pretty much down. Ripple is down 27%. Everything is just down, but this is the thing about cryptocurrency. You can't let your emotions get into it. You got to think logically, strategically, you know. So you see everything is down. What does that tell you? That tells you should be buying whatever you want to buy, because this is a perfect time to be buying. This is a perfect time to be buying Ripple. Bitcoin is down. It's a great time to be buying. But back to the video. Alright, so the first site that I want to recommend to you guys is the good old Gemini. Gemini is definitely one of the best exchanges out there for you to use. They're based out of New York City. They're very corporate, very trustworthy. Okay, they have a withdrawal limit of $100,000, so you can create an account. Let's say you got some Bitcoin. Let's say you got about 6 Bitcoin. 6 Bitcoin is about, that's 16,000 times 7. That's around what, 75, 80,000. Let's say I wanted to cash that out into my bank account. You can use Gemini to do that, and I will have video proof of how you can do that. I don't have a Gemini account just yet, but I want to show you guys what I'm talking about.
My deposits have been confirmed, so now I should be able to transfer this USD. Let's get max view 71,000 to my BB&T. Nice. And there it is.
If you're a beginner, of course, there's always Coinbase, of course. Coinbase is basically almost the #1 exchange out there. If you want to buy Bitcoin, you can sell Bitcoin. It's an exchange. Coinbase is definitely the exchange you use, like all the newbies use it. So it's either you have a Coinbase account or you don't. I don't even have a Coinbase account. I just like blockchain. If you're like me, if you don't really, I have nothing against Coinbase. My sister has a Coinbase account. You know what I'm saying? So they work perfectly fine. But if you're like me, you don't really prefer it. You like blockchain. You can use. I got a search done. That's nice. But anyway, you can use local Bitcoins, and you can just have that Bitcoin come directly to your blockchain account, like the way I have it set up. You can use this account. You can use this platform as well. If you've seen my video on how to buy Bitcoin in 2017, one of my older videos, I basically put localbitcoins.com on the spotlight. But now it's 2018 now, and I found more platforms to buy Bitcoin, so that's why I'm making this video. So yeah, local Bitcoins, we all know about local Bitcoins. Best site to use if you got cash or gift cards. They take a lot of things. You got gift cards, Starbucks gift cards. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, a lot of different payment options with local Bitcoins. Now this is a new one that I just used recently when the market crashed back in like December 23rd or something like that. I think it was a couple of days before Christmas when it was like around 13,000. I brought some Bitcoin and I used this site for the first time, about $75 worth. Not that you guys care or anything, but yeah, let's say you wanted to test out. They do take Visa, MasterCard. They got you covered. Let's say, let me see, Bitcoin is worth, I think, what did it say? 14,000. Let me see. Let me type in like 14. Let's say I got 14,650 to spend. That's not one. Let me see if I got 15,000. That's still not one. Okay. 550. 16,000 then. So I'm just trying to see. So basically, with the fees going on and everything, they're gonna take out their fees. That's the thing with Bitcoin. If you are familiar with Bitcoin, you already have a tolerance for the fees and everything like that. So you already take that with a grain of salt. You already know the fees are gonna already be there, But let's say if I only have $50, this how much I'll get. This how much Bitcoin I get. And then my next question would be, how much is this? So you can just go right here. You can just go to the Bitcoin converter. And you see right here, it's worth about $46. Since with the prices currently, with the charts currently switching, you gotta stay up to date with the charts and everything. But yeah, you'll get this much Bitcoin, for that much dollars you put in, and it's fairly quickly. But yeah, this is also a very great platform to use if you're looking to buy Bitcoin, of course. But yeah, on to my last exchange. This is Bitstamp. This is a classic exchange right here. I don't really recommend if you're new. I would just recommend just starting out with Coinbase, and you work your way, then you use whatever you want to. But Coinbase is something that everyone starts off with, but it's up to you. But yeah, Bitstamp is another great option as well. It is a little bit different, but it works the same in your end goal. It works the same. All right. So my last exchange that I want to talk about today is Binance. Binance is very essential in the cryptocurrency world today. Binance is currently trending on the App Store. It's currently trending right now. So that just goes to show you how much people are using Binance, and that's just the app. So not to mention the people actually using the site. It's not really trying to load for me right now. Don't know why. But see Binance. And I even think Binance have their own coin actually. I think I seen that recently. Yeah, Binance do have a coin now. Well, they're coming out with do they have a coin? No, this is just a market. But I swore I thought I seen Binance had a coin or something like that. But yeah, Binance is something where you can buy Bitcoin from Binance, but it's mainly used to buy altcoins. So we got Binance up finally. And basically, they give you a wallet. You put your BTC into that wallet, and you basically just used your BTC to buy whatever coin that you want. So let's say I wanted to really get Ripple, because this is a perfect time to be getting Ripple since it's down. So I would go get some Ripple with my BTC that I just imported in my wallet from Binance. So yeah, that's about 5 or 6 different ways, different links to get Bitcoin. I hope you guys enjoyed the value that I placed upon you guys today, and I'm really excited about the crypto world. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.